not very big, but she weighs more than 5 pounds.
Hi, Santa. You want to know what I want for Christmas?
A tater?
No, silly. I want a dino dog and a guinea pig horse and a unicorn Dakota.
I'm losing my feeling in my head.
Hey, Santa.
I'm trying to listen to you. Please don't yell at me.
All I want for Christmas is 2 big boobies. 2 big boobies.
I think you
All I
plastic
want for
surgery.
Christmas is 2 big boobies. La da 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 da. Ah.
Is that all?
2 big
No.
boobies.
Oh, God.
She had to fix her skirt.
All I want for Christmas is to smack my daddy in the head with a spoon. I want a spoon so I can hit my daddy in the head with it, okay?
A big one.
A big one with spiky, no holes in it. A metal one with holes in it. Because I'll go pow, and it'll be what the heck? And don't forget the 2 big boobies. I love you.
You want a size deer?
I want a size triple, quadruple, infinity D.
That's a double dang.
That's a double dangly dangly doongity dang.
That's a double dang.